Great.
The recording is on, and today is the first, one more month left. So today is the 1st December 2024. And today our topic is let's talk about resolutions, New Year resolutions, or any resolutions for that matter. Now, what are resolutions? I was looking at हम लोग बचपन से रेजोल्यूशंस करते आ रहे हैं, है ना? नए साल में बड़ी सी लिस्ट बनाते हैं, क्या वो हम फॉलो कर पाते हैं? एंड व्हाट डज रेजोल्यूशन मीन? एनीबडी? व्हाट डज रेजोल्यूशन मीन फॉर यू?
It's a decision.
It's a decision. It's a conclusion. It's like being firm and determined. It's like once you've decided, there is no turning back. It's like I will this year solve all my problems about my health. I will solve all my problems about money. It's like an act of finding answers, solutions to the problems you have decided you have.
And they are made to be broken.
Because you are an infinite being. Why would you force yourself to? First of all, when you start with a resolution, you have to decide that there's a problem. You have to judge that you are somewhere not being or doing exactly what you're supposed to do. You have to decide, you have to conclude, this is it, and this has to be. You have to set a goal. And in Access, we say, please don't set a goal. Have a target. Hi, Seema. Daryani. Welcome. So first let's talk about what resolutions have you made in previous years, and this year you were deciding that you want to have this. Anyone here?
Lose weight.
Okay. And you have been doing this since how many years?
20 years.
And never happened?
एक्सेस में आए बात जा रहा है और प्यार से जा रहा है.
Yeah, so sweet. Yes. So we talk a lot about bases. In Access, very recently, we started talking about bases in Access. So what is the basis of resolution?
The wrongness.
Yeah. Undo.
एक्सेस में आए बाद wrongness ही strongness बन जाती है.
So true, so true. बननी जाती होती है, हम बनाते थे पहले, अब हमें समझ में आ गई. So what I am getting is that for me, resolution is decision. For me, resolution is conclusion, verdict. And every time I have concluded or I have judged or have made a decision, it's from a point of view that I am not good enough, that I don't know anything, that now when I will write this, what people tell me, this is what you're supposed to do, then I will follow. Otherwise, I have no brain, no judgment, no. हमारे पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना. The resolution tab. What are your resolution? Nobody told me. Come on. One said कि weight lose करना है. और क्या? और क्या है? Hi ममता. So क्या क्या resolutions आपने
फाइनेंस
बनाई?
इंक्रीज करना, फाइनेंस इंक्रीज करना।
अच्छा, वो कैसे होगा?
वो मनी वर्क बुक करके होगा।
आ जाओ फिर, हम सेकंड को स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं 2 दिन के बाद। कल कल कर रहे हैं, वही 2 दिन के बाद। आज पहला है, आज पूरा दिन, और कल कल शुरू कर रहे हैं। प्लीज स्टार्ट, अगर यही रेजोल्यूशन है तो आई एम हैप्पी। We are doing it for the 69th time. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? और क्या रेजोल्यूशन थी? प्लीज कम ऑन शिमोना, यू नेवर हैड एनी रेजोल्यूशंस है? बेटी, हाय सुभदा, या सुभदा, how do you spell, how you pronounce your name?
Shubhadha.
Shubhada. Wow, lovely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome Shubhada.
Thank you.
So today the topic is resolutions, New Year resolutions. Have you ever made them?
Yeah, in the past, before Access, so many resolution was there.
And now?
Now it's only targets.
Awesome. What were resolutions kindness to yourself? Are resolutions kindness to yourself? Where are you in that? Is there a
my love myself, which is always looking pitchy
yeah,
black.
exactly. So what have been your best resolutions, and what have you solved always? I mean, you've always been to the mark, and you did it, what you wanted to do. Daily exercise I will do. I will put my money in the bank. I will spend less, eat less. All these come from wrongness. What if there was no wrong, no right, nothing? What if it was a choice, moment by moment, from awareness and consciousness? Would you need resolutions? Would you need resolutions? No. Nothing is wrong or right, guys. Everything is a choice. And that choice has to be not a kind of punishment for yourself. It's got to be from joy. Most people think of choice as something they got to exercise when they are faced with a difficult problem. Most of us think that we get to choose between two choices only. What if you could choose? What if you, like I always said, what if there was a buffet laid out and you could choose anything? What would you choose in every namo? Are you willing to give yourself the infinite choice and not make yourself wrong for if it didn't work? Okay, next. You don't have to presuppose that a set of options or answers or conclusions or decisions are going to solve your all problems. And that is the only choice you have. Let's take marriage. What most people mean by marriage?
जन्म जन्म का साथ है हमारा तुम्हारा.
Amara, Tara. Yeah,
फिर बर्डन.
exactly. Do you have any choice there? We stuck in the choice that we have only two choices, either to live with it or divorce. So if you didn't define marriage as this reality has been defining it,
Kamal, why only two choice?
what other choice do you have if your marriage is not working?
Not working, okay.
Or if it is
Then-
working?
Working, then of course there is the.
No, but is it
by-
always working? What do you mean by working?
Means if you are with the right
You're good at adjusting?
person, companion, and of course joy and excitement.
How many marriages do you see here on the planet like that?
Why I'm bothered about others? I have to see myself.
Awesome. You're awesome then. I'm looking at everybody. How many? I haven't seen many who are like, they have nothing to complain about, or they think exactly what they desired is showing up. Yes, you make it possible by adjusting. What if it didn't mean living together 365 days of the year? What if it didn't mean playing out certain roles and settling into the establishment? What if it was honoring?
कमल हम मैरिज करते भी बड़ी एक्साइटमेंट में है और करनी भी है. if we are not getting married we get bored or whatever we feel कि नहीं शादी होनी चाहिए. And then why do these things come?
Why? Because you're different than the other person. Because you have so many expectations. When you have expectations, you're bound to get upset. You're bound to get angry. You're bound to get feel betrayed. You're bound to get
सबसे बड़ा ऑब्स्टेकल एक्सेप्टेशंस ही है. हम लोग एक्सेप्ट. Yeah.
Nobody tells us. Everybody, I know when I got married, I don't know about you people. When I got married, I was told, अच्छी तरह रहना है, सबको खुश करना है, एडजस्ट करना है, वही है वो तुम्हारा घर है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, जो है. Nobody ever told me that you need to honor yourself first. You have to then honor everybody else. You have to be in allowance. Nobody gave me the 5 elements of intimacy. Guys, there's some people here who have asked for a kind of calls, or you call it course, or WhatsApp program. I haven't decided as yet on intimacy. If anybody wants to join, you're most welcome. I will put the poster here. So nobody tells us you have to honor, you have to be vulnerable. नहीं, छुपा के रखना, जो पहला हुआ बताना नहीं. Gratitude होना चाहिए लोगों के. Nobody gives us these elements, and they say you have to adjust no matter what. Settle into establishment that you're going into. There shouldn't be any expectations. Does it work? Always. Has it worked? You have to be honest.
All this leads to killing of self, actually.
Exactly. What if you stayed in marriage was a choice you made every day? Not that you should and you have to. There is no other choice. But following the energy, choosing for you, honoring the other person for who or he or she is. Exploring, creating expansive relationship. There are always choices beyond the menu handed to you. ये जो जजमेंट हैं, जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस जो हमको बताए गए हैं, those create limitations. What if they were not there? You were honoring yourself. And when you honor yourself, you honor the others. When you don't honor yourself, you cannot honor anybody else. We are led to believe that we have limited options, especially women. You don't have any option. अब अभी डोली वहां से गई है, फिर अर्थी उठेगी. I mean, in our times, now it's changing. We exhaust ourselves in the relationship, trying to make it right.
कंवल, मेरे यहाँ तो ऐसा था कि जैसे मेरे हस्बैंड गुजर गए तो अभी मुझे जीने का कोई राइट ही नहीं है. कैसे कपड़े पहनने वो भी लोग डिसाइड करें.
बिल्कुल.
एक्सेस में आए बाद मैंने टोटली सब ब्रेक करे. मुझे कैसे जीना वो
Same
मैं
here.
डिसाइड कर.
I did the same thing, yeah. बिल्कुल. यहाँ इस रियलिटी में कहाँ है? Access has changed a lot. Thank you, Neera. So, what are resolutions and how do they work for you? Can anybody tell me?
कंवल, मैंने एक चीज नोट करी हूँ कुछ दिनों से कि पहले तो अभी कोई रेजोल्यूशन आता ही नहीं है. दूसरा, अभी ना मेरा दिमाग ही नहीं चलता है. अरे मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो आपका इन्वायरमेंट होता है ना, उससे ऑटोमेटिकली आपके अंदर थॉट्स आते हैं और कभी कभी वो थॉट्स आते ही नहीं है. तो वो मैंने रेजोल्यूशन तो बिल्कुल ही छोड़ दिया है. वो बकवास होता है. ऑटोमेटिकली चीजें जो आती हैं मैं सोचती हूँ, कभी कभी तो दिमाग ही नहीं चलता. मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ सोच क्यों
You
नहीं
should
पा
be
रही.
happy दिमाग नहीं चल रहा.
हाँ, थोड़ा तो सुकून मिल गया है. और एक और चीज है जो हम
दिमाग क्यों
एक्चुअली में
चलती है?
रेजोल्यूशन
जो चॉइस है वो कर लो. दिमाग चलाना
कर
है
लो.
तो चॉइस ही नहीं है ना.
और दूसरा, रेजोल्यूशन भी एक तरह का एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है कि खुद से आप एक्सपेक्ट करे जा रहे हो कि ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, और फिर आप वो होता नहीं है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता है.
Then you have to make yourself wrong.
हाँ.
True
और वो
choice.
रेजोल्यूशन भी कुछ जरूरी नहीं है कि वो रेजोल्यूशन करके बहुत खुशी मिलने वाली है. ये मैंने देखा
Exactly.
है.
Then there's another resolution. Then there's another choice.
अनदर रेजोल्यूशन. जैसे कोई कोई मिलता नहीं है ना बॉयफ्रेंड, जब तक तब मिल जाए.
फिर
उसके बाद
उसके
बहुत
बाद
बड़ा
प्रॉब्लम सब
बहुत
सॉल्व.
वो हाँ, लगता नहीं नहीं बेकार ही था.
I don't know why the picture is so black in Facebook. Anyway, I have tried my level best. It doesn't come out well. It's okay. So choice, true choice. What is true choice? True choice is moving beyond the options you have been told are the only one you can have. You always have infinite choices, but we have been brought up to believe that there are only few choices. You don't have any choice.
Kamal, for me, true choice will be which is coming from my heart.
Which is coming from your heart. Now, what is heart?
कि दिल से ये
Everything that
चीज है.
comes from your heart is right and true for you?
Of course, when heart speaks, it is true. If I बराबर सुनती हूँ, heart is always true. माइंड दो तीन चीजें दे
It's not
देगा.
coming from any point of view, any opinion, any story,
No,
it's
not just
any
point
experience,
of view.
any
When I
past. It's
add
not
my,
coming from that.
नहीं, अगर हार्ट से आएगा तो I think it's true. But when I add my mind into it, then point of views and then people's views, society.
Okay.
अगर दिल की सुनते हैं तो दिल की सुनते ही नहीं है, माइंड आ जाता है.
दिल भी तो कहाँ से काम करता है? I would say knowing. क्योंकि आपका दिल अगर रसगुल्ला खाने को दिल कर रहा है, is that really true for you and your body? Have you asked a question? Body, would you like to have rasgulla? And what do you get? Mamta, play with this. When something your
Yeah.
heart is asking, ask a question.
Okay.
Hey body, hey universe, hey being, will this contribute to us?
Okay, I would try that.
And get the clearing, get clear with actually, is that true for you? You know, we are choosing something every second of our lives. Yeah. So where are those choices coming from? Are the choices coming from heart or from mind or from knowing? Are they in communion with the universe? Are they in communion with your body? We have not been told to choose from all knowing. We've been told to choose from the menu, the manual that was handed over to us. Where are we functioning from?
Knowing तो mind भी हो गया. And what I know.
माइंड तो इतना ही है जिसमें हमने खुद जो सुना, जो पढ़ा, जो करा, वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में हमने स्टोर करके रख लिया. माइंड वही चीजें बार बार बताएगा, कोई नई चीज नहीं बता सकता, क्योंकि वही चीज उसके अंदर है और आपको भी वही पता है. बट द मोमेंट यू कनेक्ट विद द यूनिवर्स, the moment you connect with all-knowing universe, then your body will get the lightness or the heaviness of what is true for you. You might get heavy in something and I might not. So what's true for you may not be true for me. Find what's true for you. We are operating on automatic pilot. We are simply choosing to go on automatic pilot. So we have the same, we reconnect to the same judgment we have had if we are going to the mind. But choice creates awareness. Every time you choose something, immediately you would get an awareness of it's going to be true for you or not. It's going to create greater for you or not. And it could be different than the other person. And we increase our awareness every time we choose. We make a choice. We don't make a choice. We live by the choices that this reality has told us to make, and we keep creating the same thing, wanting something different, and nothing changes. But every time you choose something that you have never chosen before, you will get the awareness of, is it going to work or not? Then choose again, then choose again. Choice creates awareness and creates what you are wanting to have or not have. But we want to be aware. Sometimes we want to be knowing before we choose कि ये ठीक होगा कि नहीं ठीक होगा, तभी हम choose करेंगे. That is not a choice. It doesn't work that way. choice creates awareness. Awareness does not create choice. जितनी मर्जी awareness हो आप, only choice will let you know it's going to work or it's not going to work. चुनो, immediately choice करने के बाद आपको पता लगेगा कि oh, it worked or it didn't work. You always have choice, guys. You always have choice. And your choice matters. If nobody else, it matters to you. And you are the most important person in your life.
भाई कमल, लाइक जैसे गलतियां करो और सीखो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग. गलतियां करोगे नहीं तो चलो, बच्चे अगर मंजे के ऊपर बैठे रहेंगे और आप उनको पढ़ाते रहोगे किताबों से, क्या वो चलना सीखेंगे? शुरू में, I mean, even though I have made my choices, even though I was quite a rebel, but still I have a choice. I came to know after coming to, I mean, honestly, because whenever I made a choice which was not according to this reality, I made myself guilty. But I have a choice and I can honor myself. Only I learned in Access.
कवल तभी पता ही नहीं था ना.
Yes.
मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था. हमको लगा सेक्रीफाइस.
Yeah.
Just make people happy.
Yeah, I
What
was in.
society decided.
Go on, sorry.
No, what decides society decided, what family said. We were to not after marriage accepted in the house also, mother's place.
Exactly. Exactly so. तभी तो आपकी निभी जा रही है, बिकॉज आपको पता है कि आपको सैक्रिफाइस करना है, आपको निभानी है, तो एडजस्ट करते जाओ. I had a choice, wasn't familiar to me. I might have chosen things, rebelled against, but they weren't easy choices. They came with consequences, not fun at all. And for 63 years, I lived lived mostly in no choice universe. And the world.
maybe we made choices because knew that okay, this choice, weighed the choice and then made the choice whether this choice suits or as you said, consequences were heavy, so one
No,
again
but
made a choice.
what you're saying is that you made a choice. Sorry, say it again.
I said maybe is it good to say lived in no choice universe? They say making no choice is also a choice, no?
That is no choice because were they mine? They were always from pros and cons and consequences and the rightness and the wrongness of that. Is that a choice?
Oh, you
Yes.
meant not choosing
Yes,
from the
we
light
made
one?
choice. We did make choice. I mean, all the time you're not making choice is also a choice. But you're not making a choice because you don't want to, or because this is not a right or this is not a wrong and nobody will like it. Or where are you coming from?
Okay.
The whole world opened up to me when I chose Access Consciousness. Most of you will relate to me. Now I make a choice from from lightness and heaviness. Even if I don't know anything much about it. I don't go into iska consequences kya honge. Or I should make a right choice.
कौल कभी कभी तो ऐसा होता है चूज करने से पहले ही डरते.
हमेशा ही ऐसे होता था पहले, और डरते थे और फिर प्रोज एंड कॉन्स देखते थे और फिर भी चुनते थे, फिर भी कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज होते थे. Then those choices weren't even ours. They were not even ours, and we still had the consequences of those. How aware are you after coming to Access of your choices? How much
Every
available are you aware that if you ask, you will receive? कुछ कहने लग रहा था, कोई कह रहा था।
कंवल, मेरी लड़की के एंगेजमेंट करनी है, तो क्वेश्चन में क्या करूं उसके लिए?
क्या? सॉरी, व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन?
मेरी लड़की की एंगेजमेंट करनी है, तो मुझे यानी चॉइस में आंसर क्वेश्चन क्या डालना है?
आपने लड़का ढूंढ लिया है?
आ रहे रिश्ते, उसमें से चूज करना है।
Okay, so what question are you asking?
यस।
And what question is your daughter asking? Are you honoring her? Are you letting her tell you what she would like in her relationship?
उसको मैंने आपके लिए जो हायर ग्रेटर हो वो आप चूज करो।
Okay. And
और
then,
क्वेश्चन भी वही डालो।
exactly, उसको बोलो कि a relationship that will be contributive, expansive, nurturing. ऐसे नहीं ये मुंडा 5 फुट 6 इंच होना चाहिए, और डार्क टाल डार्क हैंडसम होना चाहिए, उसकी नौकरी होनी चाहिए, उसके पैसे होने, ऐसा नहीं। दिस इज हाउ दिस रियलिटी चूजेस। हाउ डू यू, what comes to you, what mm, what do you experience while you are with, are you allowing your daughter to meet the person boy?
यस।
Yeah, so tell her that she has total choice to choose from what will work for her. Ask a few questions. I can give you the questions personally. You talk to me.
थैंक यू।
You're welcome. After coming to Access, I was willing to open doors. I mean, I'm willing, yeah, doors open that I didn't even know existed and never thought of opening them, even when I was aware of them. It's so much of an adventure now, exciting. Earlier, it used to be yehi karna hai. That's how we chose to have resolutions. Thought कि अब ये एक resolution बनाएंगे तो शायद तब stick करेंगे. Then we can judge ourselves more. Everything led to judging yourself. No, nothing was of exciting, joyful, meaningful in your life. Coming to Access became what else is possible. Every moment I could choose something different. Different possibilities started to show up. हमारे टाइम में ऐसे ही देखते थे, जब लड़की को देखते थे, लड़की से कौन पूछता था? बस अच्छा घर है, लड़का कमा रहा है, बड़ा टॉल डार्क हैंडसम है, अच्छी फैमिली से है, शादी कर लो। एंड फिर एडजस्ट करना है, तो शादी बहुत अच्छी चली। एवरीबडी थॉट दैट दिस इज द बेस्ट मैरिज। बाहर सबको यही दिखता है, क्योंकि हम, आई एम नॉट सेइंग प्लीज गो शो अप और start showing or start fighting. Please don't get me wrong. But just become aware of where you're functioning from. And you all know that's why you chose Access. You were looking for something, that it came to you, and you, hi Nipa, and made it possible to have a different life, to have more choices. But are you choosing them, or are still living in itna sa aur chun lete hain, itna sa aur. You people don't want to change your whole life. You want to change just a little bit.
कंवल, मैंने लड़की को ऐसा ही बोला। वो बोलती है मैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लूंगी। मैं कहा नहीं, कहीं कॉम्प्रोमाइज तो करना ही नहीं है, हमने
हाँ,
कर लिया। हमने बहुत कर लिया, अब नहीं करना है कॉम्प्रोमाइज, तो मांगना ही नहीं यूनिवर्स से।
बिल्कुल नहीं मांगना. So true. Lovely. She's lucky to have you as the mother. You have to keep choosing you to find that there is a different possibility. Maybe not easy, maybe not always easy, but more fun than anything else in the world.
अभी एक लड़का ऐसा ही था, तो वो बोल रही थी कि मैं उसको निभा लूंगी। मैं क्या, निभाना नहीं है, जीना है।
निभाना नहीं है, जीना है.
जीना है।
Yes, yes. Function from consciousness. So what does it mean to function from consciousness? कितनी बार हमने सुना है कि your point of view creates your reality? सुना है ना?
What we speak, it's our reality.
जो यहाँ चलता है, जो मुंह से निकलता है, वो ही आप अपने आसपास क्रिएट करते हो. मैं एडजस्ट कर लूंगी तो आपको वही एडजस्ट करने वाला ही मिलेगा. So ask for something that you actually like to have. Tell her to make a list of things that she actually like to have, and not like materialistic things, like honoring, like trusting, like all the 5 elements: honor, trust, intimacy is honor, trust, allowance, gratitude, and which is the 5th one, guys?
Vulnerability.
Vulnerability. तब एक इंटीमेट रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट होता है. नॉट बाय मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स, ये दे दे मुझे, पैसे ठीक से दे दे मुझे, ठीक से हंस के बोल लेना है. ये all these things, ask her to ask for all these things. Her reality will create, her point of view will create her reality. What is it that I really desire? You say, oh, I have money problem. Boy, guess what? You will have money problem. I will adjust. You will always have to adjust.
तो लेकिन हमें तो ऐसा ही सिखाया गया था, जितनी चद्दर हो इतना पैर फैलाओ, तो वो ऐसे ही रह गए पैर।
मैंने तो कहा चादर बड़ी भी मिल सकती है, छोटी क्यों लेनी?
हाँ, किंग साइज मिलती है, वो जब पता नहीं था ना।
किंग साइज से भी बड़ी मैं ले सकती हूँ, खुद बनवा सकती हूँ, कपड़ा लेके ज्वाइन करवा सकती हूँ उसको. Why should I go do what everybody else wants me to do? It's all up to you. You are great, guys. You are the greatness possible on planet Earth. No, I'm having a class. After the class, I'll talk to you. My dog wants to go out. And he just had an operation. I can't send him out just like that. I'll have to. What if the greatness of you is the willingness to be everything?
पानी तो थोड़ा बहुत गर्म चाहिए होता ना.
Can I mute you, darling? So what was I saying? What if the greatness of you is really the willingness to be everything that you can be, that you are, never stopping yourself, becoming unstoppable, unapologetically you, allowed to choose from infinite possibilities. Allow yourself to choose. That is the greatness of you. It's the power that you have. Like we say in How to Become Money book, your power, your creativity, your awareness, and you with all these knowing that you are power, creativity, and awareness, you control the whole universe by your just very being. Not the control that we hear in this world, but the control with being in rhythm, with sync with the whole universe. It dances with you. You can have it all. When you can choose from the joy of you, for the energy you be. It creates faster, it creates quicker, it creates with total ease. Have you noticed? When you have no point of view, just ask and you shall receive. How is not your job? Like I've always said. And things show up instantaneously. Yesterday at night, there is this girl I've been saying, there's this bitch who gave birth in our on our farm, 7 babies, and we've been feeding her. So the maid goes at 7 o'clock. So she was looking for her and she couldn't find her. And she told me, Madam, आप इसको खाना दे देना जब वो आएगी. Mostly I go looking for it because when she comes into the house, all the puppies get hold of her and they don't even let her eat. So we have to somebody has to keep the puppies on the side and give her to eat. Or sometimes you have to go outside the house, outside the gate to feed her. It was 9 o'clock at night and I was saying, oh my God, what to do? अब मेरा तो बिल्कुल दिल नहीं कर रहा बाहर जाके उसको खाना देने के लिए. And I kept doing what I was doing, but this was just a thought in my head. And after 10 minutes, not even 10, I think, just 3-4 minutes, she was right here outside my window asking for food. How does it get any better than this? So you have no point of view, you just ask and it's created for you. I have this every day, 100 times a day, different things that show up just like this magic. Have you ever wondered what would it take for things to show up instantaneously? And have you ever actualized many things in your life that you haven't acknowledged? Please, would you acknowledge them now? You just have to go, oh my God, that's awesome, and then have no point of view. Yesterday, there was a lady who I thought I was supposed to take her out for shopping. And I was at a Airbnb meet, which I came back by 6:15. And she lives about 10 kilometers from where I am. And I was thinking, oh my God, I have to go and pick her up and then take her for shopping. And now the time would be hardly anything. Chandigarh, 8 o'clock, shops close. And that was my thought. And I get a phone call saying that you don't have to come. You just tell us the shops. Give me the names and the sectors of the shops. I will go and do. She wanted some Punjabi suits. It come from Bombay. How does it get any better than that? So every moment things like that show up, which you think, if you were to sit there and, oh my God, mujhe jana padega, le jana padega. It wasn't no energy like that. It was like I could go, but okay, then we can go tomorrow. Now we can't go because by the time I go to her house and go to the market, it will be nearly getting closed. So she said, you don't even have to come, Kamal. You just have to tell me where the place is. We'll go on my own. I have had things appear like magic. How does that happen? You ask and have no point of view. You just ask and be the energy of lightness and knowing that it is possible. The moment you think it's not possible, it isn't. Only trick is to have no point of view and it appears. You are an amazing creator, guys. Will you please acknowledge that? You are a phenomenal, amazing, brilliant creator of what you have created till now. If it is not working for you, change it. Choose something different. It's funny thing is that you choose to create what doesn't work for you rather than what works for you. Where are you coming from when you're creating crap? Just get aware of it. You're thinking crap, you create crap. Follow your knowing. Trust your knowing. Don't follow this reality. Don't follow the right and the truth, and don't go to conclusion and judgment. Just follow the lightness. There's no such thing as right choice. What do you know? What do you know of you? What do you know about you? What do you know about what you're asking for? You don't even have to have all the knowledge. You just have to be present. Do you know that you're connected to every single molecule around you? You can orchestrate your life in rhythm, where you just ask and it shows up. No effort needed. What do you think? Is that possible, or I'm just talking rubbish? Hi, Sally Pan.
You know, ma'am, I asked that this time that there should be some winter in Bombay, and it is winter here. It's around 12 or 14 degree at least.
Come to Chandigarh, you want to have winter.
I will.
So I have a question for you. Are you ready to have so much ease in all aspects of your life? Are you? When you are functioning from the space of creating greater for everyone, including the earth, that is actually conscious choice. Then you will make very different choices. But when you're making choice only for you universe, your universe, me universe, not we universe, you have limited choices. मुझे गाड़ी मिल जाए, मेरा घर मिल जाए, मेरी आज नींद ठीक हो जाए, मेरा हस्बैंड ठीक से बोले, मेरा लड़का ठीक से बोले, पढ़ जाए. But when you are functioning from the space of creating greater for everyone, including the earth, including everybody, you make your choices become different. Then you are not controlling. Then you are just being in rhythm and dance with the universe. And you know that will be a contribution for all. Where rules don't apply.
Ma'am, but doesn't that whole idea feel a little heavy looking around what is happening? I
Does
know maybe I have a judge.
it
I
feel
have a ju-
Did it feel heavy to you, looking for everybody else but you? You are right. You know, in the beginning, I was like, when I came to Access and I heard something like this, I said, पहले मेरे को तो ठीक होने दो, फिर मैं देखूंगी किसी और को करना है कि नहीं करना. I really relate to that. It was that. Well, that's why we say that if you honor yourself, you trust yourself, if you are in gratitude and you are vulnerable and you're in allowance of yourself, you will be in allowance. But first it starts with you. You're very right. It was for me also. Whenever I heard that, my hackles would stand and say, मेरे को तो कुछ दे दो पहले, फिर मैं देखूंगी किसी को कुछ और देना कि नहीं. So true. But the moment you start clearing things for yourself, that's why I say the charity begins at home. If you are satisfied and happy, it will overflow. You cannot give to somebody till you have it. And of course, so right. Thank you for bringing it up. I'd forgotten. You have to be at the top priority. Always. Even after 50 years or even after 100 years of consciousness. You have to be the top priority. You cannot give to anybody till you have enough for yourself. Not enough, I mean, you say never enough and always plenty. And then you automatically start to be a contribution to everybody else. Looking after yourself is a contribution to everybody else. You know, I am old. I don't believe that. Age-wise, I am old and I look after myself. I think that is an act of kindness for my children. I have said it many, many times. They don't have to worry about the old woman.
But we create relationships so that we have someone to look after us when we are old.
You don't require anybody to look after you. You require you to look after yourself. Then everybody else looks after you. When you're not a burden, then everybody is around you whenever you require them. So, any questions, guys? I've been talking, and there are 2 minutes left. I'm giving you 2 minutes to talk. I didn't even know to start with. Where will I start this resolution thing from? Sandeep, did you get your answers?
I did. Actually, even though after joining Access, I have stopped creating resolutions, but somewhere down the line, the muscle memory that has been there, it creates such a this साल ना ये at least ये चीज होना चाहिए. Rather than वो चीज होता नहीं, बाकी सारी चीजें जो मैं instant में choice करता हूँ वो हो जाता है. That way it goes. So even the way I chose your daily calls. It is an instantaneous. अभी मेरे को Sunday I don't get up early, but still I am.
Thank you.
Listening it on Insta. That is a choice too, right?
Thank you.
That is instantaneous choice. So and it helps. It assists for the week. I don't know about others. It assists for the week.
Yeah.
I go on my way with the way I feel I should treat myself, rather than अच्छा इसका ख्याल रख लेते, rather than accepting and aligning with others, rather than allowing.
Yeah. It automatically come when you are nurtured and cared. Functioning from consciousness. Consciousness has no religion, no belief, no ideology, no gender, no sexuality, no race, no age, no nationality. You are just conscious. You're functioning from every moment from the choices that will create greater. My dog wants to go out and he's not being kind to me and to himself. 1 minute.
Maybe he wants to join the call. Ask him.
Yes, he is joined. They both are here in the room, listening always. But I think he wants to go out and he wants my full attention. So please keep your connection. Yes, anybody has a question?
Yes, difference between goal and target.
Goal is मुझे यहाँ पहुंचना है. आप नहीं पहुंचोगे तो आप अपने आप को गलत बनाओगे, अपनी गलती निकालोगे, अपने आप को जज करोगे, उस चीज को जज करोगे. पर जब आप टारगेट बनाते हो, जैसे वो करके आप डालते हो, और अगर आप उसके कहीं पास भी पहुंच जाते हो तो आप अपने आप को शाबाशी देते हो. वो गोल से चक्कर में जो आप फेंकते हो, तो अगर वो बिल्कुल पॉइंट पे नहीं भी जाता, इधर भी जाता है, तो आप कहते हो वाह वाह. तो टारगेट रोज हो सकता है. आपकी प्रैक्टिस के साथ आप रोज कुछ ना कुछ टारगेट कर रहे हो, तो रोज कहीं ना कहीं पहुंच रहे हो. यू आर नॉट मेकिंग योरसेल्फ रॉन्ग फॉर इट. बट गोल वी ऑलवेज मेक आवरसेल्व्स रॉन्ग. अगर वो गोल पूरा नहीं होता तो हमारे हमारे वी कैन नॉट रियली बी हैप्पी. Goal of life is actually to die. You don't want to have a goal. You want to have a target.
Got
अच्छा,
that.
अगली बार रख लेते हैं गोल और टारगेट सब्जेक्ट रख लेते हैं. We will talk more on that next Sunday. Thank you for the topic. Goal and target. Yes, awesome. Goal versus targets. Thank you for giving the topic. Okay, guys, it's 9:03. Have a wonderful Sunday. Enjoy yourself. I hope it was a contribution.
Kawal, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, darling. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for coming. Okay, guys, everybody, bye-bye. Love you guys.